Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Fmiint. F-M-I-I-N-T. Fmiint. The ransomware is a special type of malware that encrypts the data on the system, and then, after the encryption is successful, the ransomware tells its victims to pay the special ransom for the file restoration. But in reality, of course, when people pay the ransom, there is no guarantee that they would get the files restored. So we believe that paying the ransom is obviously a very serious mistake. The video will demonstrate to you what exactly this ransomware does, and of course, before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without any problems. However, due to certain vulnerabilities in the security system, the ransomware may become the part of the system, and so pretty soon you will notice that some of the files, if not all of the files, are already encrypted. The ransomware has this special extension Fmiint and some other random symbols, but Fmiint is basically this specific extension or part of the extension added in addition to the main extension. This is why the ransomware is called Fmiint. So the ransomware tells its victims to pay the special ransom for the file restoration, and it specifies some email addresses here of which people need to use for contacting these criminals. But as I have said, paying the ransom does not guarantee that the files would be recovered. We strongly advise that you immediately undertake the measures to remove this ransomware as soon as you can from your system. We suggest that you do that with the help of Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware that you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the application, then wait until it updates the antivirus database and click on Start Scan to begin the research of your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress, and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protected against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware, and as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So enjoy Combo Cleaner, consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.